Hey, I want to do a quick adjustment on our friend Neil. Neil, say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, Neil is a hoop player. He landed on his butt, slipped on ice the other day, and jammed that sacrum a little bit forward, right, Neil?
Yes.
All right, so we're going to take that out of that forward posture for you here. Neil was getting pain from the lumbosacral junction and referring all the way up into the right shoulder blade. Now, here's what we're going to do. Put your big stretch in there. Let yourself relax now. Gotcha. Woo! How'd that feel?
Good.
Nice. All right, we're going to go on from there. Thanks. We'll get back to you in the next video.